In today's video, we'll guide you through a full tutorial on how to automatically change to dark mode in Telegram. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Look for the Telegram icon and tap on it to launch the application. Step 2. Once you're inside Telegram, locate the 3 stacked lines in the top left corner of the screen. Simply tap on them to access the main menu. Step 3. From the menu options, tap on Settings. You can find the Settings option represented by a gear icon. Step 4. Inside the Settings page, scroll down until you see Chat Settings. Tap on it to proceed. Step 5. Within the chat settings, continue scrolling down until you find Auto Night Mode. Enable this option and select your preferred time for the mode to activate. Congratulations! You've successfully set up automatic dark mode in Telegram. Enjoy a visually appealing and comfortable messaging experience. By following these simple steps, you can automatically switch to dark mode in Telegram, providing a more eye-friendly interface during nighttime or in low-light environments. Setting up the Auto Night Mode in Telegram ensures that the app adjusts its appearance based on your preferred time, making it easier on your eyes and conserving battery life. We hope this comprehensive guide has been helpful in assisting you with setting up automatic dark mode in Telegram. If you found this video useful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your support. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Enjoy a seamless and visually appealing experience with automatic dark mode in Telegram.